What's up everyone? Please, before we start, make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment, and why not become a member. If you wanted to install a package locally on your Arch Linux machine, follow along. You need to make sure that you are in the path where your Arch Linux package resides, or you specify the full path. The command is as simple as sudo pacman -u and then path to your package .tar .zst or zstd. In case you are in the same path, becomes package .tar .zstd. You need to prepare your package before that, of course. You may need to go to archlinux.org/packages, and here you type the package name and then you search. You select download from Mirror. It should download that package for you. I have mine ready, so let's try to run the command that installs for us. Remember to press tab for auto completion, and you may need to type the full package name including its extensions. Once the command is ready, press enter. If you are not in the same directory of the package, you can type it fully like I'm gonna do now. You remember that you can press tab for auto completion, and you can see that it's gonna install for me. Before I install, I thought of showing you that I don't have htop installed, so let's install it now. Y and enter. If we run htop, we have it working, as you can see. I'm signing out, and peace.